Guys, good morning and welcome to yet another vlog. Today it's a rainy day. It's a rainy day and I'm on my way to work. How are you guys doing? How was your weekend? If you are new here, you are more than welcome. Please don't to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that we get notified every time we upload a new video, which is at least twice a week now. I need to change my intro because we're uploading twice now. Sundays and Wednesdays or Thursdays. Anyway, you guys, I'm on my way to work and I'm feeling brand new because what better way to motivate yourself on a Monday morning than to put on new jewelry. You guys, look at this new ring I got from Jeulia. It is so beautiful. I know I don't have my nails done and everything, and you guys know how I like to present things, but not the way it be for now. Look at the necklace they sent to me. So you guys, these are the two pieces that I picked out. This is a 3-piece ring. This is sterling silver and I absolutely love it. If you guys don't know about sterling silver is one of those metals that will never rust, and I know that for a fact because I have a sterling silver ring that I've been using before I got married and I'm still using it till today. So apart from it being affordable, you are also getting your money's worth. I'm waiting for the bus, so that's why I keep looking sideways. It's very late today, and this weather is not weathering. It's looking very harsh, very hostile. So Jeulia is currently running a promotion. It has already started, so it's still ongoing and it's going to end sometime in December. My unique code is valid till then, so you guys, you know what to do. Get yourself some amazing jewelry and thank me later. Alright, Ngwa, please, who knows where the bus driver is living or who knows where he's at? This code is not my friend. I need to put my hands in my pocket. I need to be in a warm environment. Alright, you guys, I will chat to you in the course of the vlog. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the course of the vlog. So this is a typical example of what it looks like when we get back from work or school. Everybody, when we get back together, on the days when we come back together, just go ahead to get all of our lunch boxes, lunch plates and bowls out of each bag. So for the children, I get their lunch bowls out of their school bags. I also put mine in the sink, my husband's as well. And then I just open it up, discard whatever rubbish is inside each bag, and just prepare to wash it and fill it up for the next day. On this particular day, the boys were going on break the next day and I did not need to fill them up, or else I would have shown you. I also stopped by at the store to pick up some fresh supply for my ginger mix that I will be making later on in the video, so you guys stay tuned for that. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how I make it. I'm also giving the boys some knickknacks and yogurts to just snack on while I prepare all of that. Also, the boys are recovering from a cold, so I also got some other things for them, like some yogurt for them to drink while they get and work up their appetite back. I got some oranges and some other fruits for them, just what they're used to eating or what they're able to eat now that they are still recovering. So they have some pears, we have some oranges, they still have some apples that they're eating, and I'm just turning all of that into the large fruit bowl while I sort out the rest of the groceries. These baby carrots are a new favorite in my household because the boys just love it. It looks cute and it tastes very sweet, so I like it. I got this one at Aldi. All of the things I got are from Aldi. I'm just going to be washing the carrots. Why do I keep calling them apples? Anyway, I just washing them properly, and then I'm just going to dry it very well and store it, and it can last up to a month, but it usually doesn't. This only lasts for about a week plus because the boys always like to have carrots. It's good for them. It's rich in carotene, and this is the excess water that comes from it. I'm just going to be transferring that into this fridge container because it has this collection at the bottom where all the excess water can continue to just drain out. And I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my ginger for the ginger drink or the ginger shot. So the ginger that we're getting at Aldi is not very clean. It's kind of moldy as well, so I had to go in with my knife and then with the iron sponge or a very strong sponge just to get all of the dirt out of it. I'm going to be cutting this up into chunks as well while my husband continues to sort out the boys in terms of, you know, just snacks and everything while I get dinner ready as well. So the ginger's all cut up now. I'm just going to be transferring that into my blender. This is my smoothie blender that I got at a thrift shop. You guys, the OGs on the channel already know I'm adding a very little amount of water, and then I'm going to be blending that. This is what it comes out like. It comes out like a thick paste. I'm going to do this until all of my ginger is all blended. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like thick pap at this point. Pap as in maize, blended maize. Anyway, my husband and I continue to gist while I continue to do this ginger shots. Not just the boys take it, because I don't think I emphasized that in my previous videos. Everybody takes this ginger shot, so we only take this twice a day, one in the morning and once at night. I get this mesh bag I got it from my sister-in-law. She brought it for me from Nigeria. That has been such a huge lifesaver for me. I use this for almost everything. I should start making pap by myself. But anyway, I extract all of the juice from the ginger and I store it in a separate container, and then I go ahead to process the lemon for the mixture. This lemon I'm making it in a rather unconventional method. Now, if you do not like your lemon bitter or you like it the conventional way, by all means do it the conventional way. But this is just a cheat method that I found out not too long ago, and I have been using it ever since. I just cut the lemon into quarters and I pass that through my juicer. This is the juicer that I got from Amaze Chef. I unboxed this a while back, and this is what the pulp looks like. I got about 200 mils of liquid from about 6 lemons, and this is what the entirety of that looks. So that's ginger and lemon separated. I'm just going to be mixing the mixture. So that's 1 cup of ginger, 1 cup of lemon, and I'm going to be topping that with honey. So just to the brim with honey, and I'm going to shake that together, and that is all it takes. Some people like to put garlic in theirs. My children will not like the taste of that, even though the garlic has antibacterial properties. But I mean, do you? Anyway, I give that to them and I let it sit in their mouth for about 2 to 3 minutes. They like to drink water or ask for water, but I don't like to give them water. I'm substituting that with orange, so at least they're getting citrus as well. It's not good to take water immediately after, because it will not have all the effect it's supposed to have on your throat while you are recovering from that cough and cold and just the irritation in your throat. So I'm going ahead to just process my ginger powder, and I'm doing this with my dehydrator. I'm also going to go ahead with my parchment paper that I've cut in 2. I folded it in half, made a rectangle, folded it again, made a square, and then I folded the square once and folded it again. So it's like making a rectangle, making a square, making a triangle, and then making a right angle triangle, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut that with a scissors, and this is the pattern that it gives. I'm spreading each layer of the this dehydrator comes in 5 layers. I'm just using 2 for the garlic powder or ginger powder, excuse me. That is it for this stage. I'm also going to be going ahead to clear up and do some washing. We also have some apples that are starting to go bad, and I don't want to waste them, so I'm just going to make my apple chips that I make once in a while. I should make this a lot more often, but is something I just do once in a while. I wash the apples, get rid of the bad bits, slice them up, add another layer. This one does not need a parchment paper because it will not fall through the rack of the dehydrator. I just line that up very thinly, and that is it. I just cover that and turn it on. I let that go for a couple of hours. I usually let this go overnight, but because I still have quite a few things to do, I'm going to start running that one, and by the time I'm ready to go to bed, I'll turn it off. So we're having chips. I'm adding some pepper mix. I'm adding black pepper, salt, and I'm just going to agitate that together and put that in the air fryer. I was also charging the vacuum battery for a while, and now that it is all charged up, I'm just going to put that back in the vacuum and clean up my work area. We're having chicken nuggets with the chips as well, so I'm adding some tahini paste. I unboxed this with my Dagusta box a while ago, a couple of months ago. Still have some of the paste. I'm just putting some black pepper and some salt as well, and I'm going to put that in the air fryer once the chips is all done. So this is me going to get my package from my neighbor. She graciously offered to help me receive my packages when they come, because right now that I am not at home to receive my package myself, I have been missing my packages, but she has offered to help me collect them since she stays at home up until around the evening when she goes to work. And this is what I do. I watch some of my colleagues here on YouTube. That was Defab Dad, and I'm also watching Samuela Joe, because this is a Friday. The boys love to snuggle. What can I say? I also like to get my entertainment because I really cannot relate with what they watch on their own videos. Alright, you guys, so this segment of the video has been sponsored by GIFTLISTE. They have sent us this amazing 4-piece jewelry that also comes with a free gift. I cannot wait to show it to you. GIFTLISTE is a fine jewelry brand. They have sponsored the segment of the video, and I cannot wait to show you how these jewelries fit on me. Alright, so this is the jewelry on me. I absolutely love it. So the name of this set, because all of this comes in a set, the name of the set is the Lucky Tiger Eye set, and this is what the ring looks like. I love the fact that it is adjustable, so you can basically fit this into any finger. This is what the bracelet looks like. This is their 18 karat gold vermeil set, and for a limited offer, this ear clip comes with the offer. This is a 4-piece set, so you get the necklace, the bangle, the ring, and the earrings. They also have a number of amazing offers. They offer free shipping, it includes import duties and tax. Also offer 14 days money back guaranteed. Now this ear cuffs is definitely a first for me, but I'm loving it. I'm not mad at it at the moment. So this is everything, you guys. Thank you again to GIFTLISTE for sponsoring this segment of the video. So if you're interested in this set, I will leave the link in my description box below to what to click on it. You'll also get 20% off once you use my discount code LOVE20, and you guys get on their website, shop your amazing collection. They have a ton of options to choose from, so you guys will be lost for choice when you get on there, I promise you. Thank you again to GIFTLISTE for sponsoring this segment of the video. Let's get on with the rest of today's video. Anyway, while we wait for the dinner to get ready, we're just going to be steaming our nose as a family. Just putting some water in the water compartment of our face steamer and some menthol crystal. Just let that permeate in the living room. I'm also checking on my apple chips here. They're almost dry. This is after less than 1 hour. The ginger powder still has a way to go. Well, it's just time to serve up our food and start eating. The boys are using ketchup. My husband and I are using the bacon mayo. I think I've shown you this in a couple of my videos. But yeah, this is the bacon mayo that is now taking over ketchup in my household. But anyway, you guys, this is dinner and everybody just sits down to eat. I'm still in front of this laptop checking on work and doing some other things. Alright, you guys, so before we continue the rest of the video, I just want to show you some of the items that I got from anyfashion.ru. They have sent me 3 items: this Chanel backpack, a Gucci belt, and a Louis Vuitton bracelet. So they've sent me these 3 items, and we're just going to be unboxing that in a bit. But while I do that, I'm just going to tell you quickly what they do. So Any Fashion deal with one-to-one replicas, and what they do is they replicate big brands. Talk about Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Bottega, Chanel. The list is endless. Go on their websites. They have a ton of items to choose from. They have sent me these 3 items just to show you a sample of what they have on their page. They ship worldwide. They deal with bags, shoes, clothing, accessories. They also deal with some menswear as well, so you guys will do yourself, a world of good by going on there. They have a ton of accessories to choose from: different scarves, gloves, hats, sunglasses, socks, things like that. It's a lot on their website. So for my subscribers, they have gifted us a 5% discount just by using my code as listed on your screen, Tola Lusi, and you are guaranteed 5% off your purchase when you spend over $200 on their website. So you guys, you know what to do. Click on the link, shop their amazing items, and tell me which one is your favorite out of all 3 items that I got today. Alright, you guys, let's continue the rest of today's video. So after dinner was done, I just went ahead to unbox some more products. This was the Dagusta box that came later in the day, and just got to unbox that one. I showed you this in a previous video, but if you guys are going to go ahead and get this, I will leave a link in my description box. So this is basically the next morning, and I'm just giving the boys their shot for the morning. The next one will be in the evening, and that is it for the day. But just to check on my chips and my ginger powder, everything is looking crisp and dry. Look at that. Look at how thin it has gotten. It's just a very healthy way to snack, and I absolutely love it. I do this once in a while. It's not very often that I do it. I should do it more often anyway. But this is what the ginger powder is looking like. It is all dry, but I just can't stop nibbling on this thing. It is so good. I'm just going to transfer this into my blender. This is the dry compartment of my blender. Actually, it does both. But anyway, I'm just going to be agitating the blender as I blend, just to make sure that I get every single thing dry and blended. I'm just going to transfer that back onto the parchment paper and put that in my jar. This goes to seasoning food. It goes in my protein shakes as well. I use this for any and everything. But you guys, that is it, and this is the short story of how I became an herbalist in the UK. Well, later on in the day, we had pounded yam and egusi. And you guys, that was it for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.